Mustang flown by Kevin Eldridge, based at Chino Airport. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Sound of Freedom! GM-22 Raptor is one of the first supersonic global fighters. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome again, Air Combat Command, your United States Air Force 22 Raptor!
Retired and doing what he loves to do best, fly airplanes, especially in formation. General Ball for the T-37, the T-38, the T-33, the T-53, the O-2, of course one of my favorites, the F-4. Flew all variants of the F-4 Phantom and the RF-4 as well. Position references and flying purely off of him, off of the lead, not looking out at the ground.
So in the name of rock and roll, woohoo! Oh yeah! Too much.
Would you look at that? Backing up better than most people do out of their driveways. And he's going across over 5,000 feet of runway. Folks, this is the tactical aircraft of your United States Air Force, able to land and take off in small or unimproved runways. This is the aircraft that supports your United States Army, Marine Corps, Navy, and of course the Air Force and Armed Forces of our allied nations.
Well, large and in charge on the C-17, the aircraft commander, Major Chuck Honda from right here in Riverside. In fact, Chuck's glad here at the show. He's a city councilman here in Riverside. Chuck, in charge of that great piece of a great American asset. One of 5 crew members on the aircraft. Also flying with Chuck, Major Ernie Ozels and Jared Scott, Major Jared Scott, both those two out of Redlands, California. And for today's operation, they got 2 loadmasters back there. Yeah, they got a Chief in an E9. Chief Master Sergeant Frank Gamache out of Victorville. Tech Sergeant Sergio Melendez out of Los Angeles. Of course, this...
And how about that? I have my airshow coordinator here, Tom. He's saying half the field, not even that. Ladies and gentlemen, that just shows you the capabilities of your United States Air Force. Now, this is a very interesting thing right here. The C-17, for its size, is remarkably agile. This aircraft, imagine taking a stretch limo and putting it with a Toyota Prius. It is the turn radius of the Toyota Prius. It is a comparable turn radius for the size of the aircraft in proportion to what it is capable of. And you are seeing every ounce of that right here in what is close to a minimum radius turn.
Pretty cool, unlike a lot of larger cargo style aircraft that have a full steering wheel, the yoke if you will. This aircraft built with a stick and even has a heads-up display like you'd find in a modern fighter aircraft. The pilot, focused out to infinity through the heads-up display, is able to see altitude, airspeed, angle of attack, all the critical flight parameters while looking outside, never having to look in the cockpit and scanning in, scanning out, scanning in, scanning out. It's all right there in front of the pilot. Well, they're going to give us one more look at this great Globemaster 3, named after a couple other great Douglas aircraft from the past, before they head back to March in the 452nd Airlift Wing.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for your C-17 Globemaster 3!
Well, folks,